ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, everyone. And it is the opening of a masterpiece right at the heart of San Jose del Monte City.
We are here at the Department of Health
Consultayon National Health Fair 2024.
Allow me to thank everyone for being here today.
Without giving out too much details, I can assure you guys that we'll have a lot of activities to celebrate today.
It's going to be an evening filled with inspiration, recognition, and of course, a lot of fun.
K Essentials, we can indulge in the ultimate self-care experience. They're 100% natural and sourced from the indigenous community.
Mula sa ating mga pambansang alagad ng sining para sa pelikula, sina Marilu Diaz Abaya at Ricky Lee, ang pelikulang Bagong Buwan.
Ibang-iba when you watch it in big screen, na merong audience ka at nadidinig mo yung mga komento.
Excited ba kayo na malaman ng winner?
Sa ngalan ng Sentrong Pangkultura ng Pilipinas, malugod namin kayong binabati para sa pagbibigay gawad sa mga nanalo sa ating ika-36 na gawad alternatibo.
Maganda yung float namin. Sobra! It's like a storybook na magical place. So, excited kami lahat sumakay.
Last time kong nag-parade, 5 years old pa ata ako.
Super excited ako para sa parade. Kasi first time ko magpa-parade for
Gawa lang ng gawa. Sulat lang ng sulat. Huwag kayong mapagod kasi ang sining, ang pagpapelikula, sobrang ganda niyang outlet for us na artist.
I think it's also about time that we use film para nga sa katulad na sinabi noong una na isa boses at maging tinig at maging tenga para sa mga kwentong kailangan nating marinig at kailangan nating bigyang importansya sa panahon ngayon.